So it's really sunny today, and I think I've forgotten my sunglasses. So this isn't going to be a very good day for me or the rest of the next 5. So good luck to me, and yes, and to the rest of everyone in the group. Yes, Julia, Sophia over there, and then Artem photo bombing us. Okay, so we've just started the way. There's so many nettles, and I forgot to wear long trousers, so I'm not respecting the rules. And
Bite baby.
wow, oh God, I nearly tripped up there.
It's a bite baby.
Yes, Maxim.
Oh,
See, Maxim's getting stung, and it's really not a good start. I thought this would be a really good idea, but there's nettles. I'm wearing shorts. No, ow, ow, ow. There's a slug. This is Mother Nature.
So we are arriving to the point where Lauren is leaving us.
So funny.
Okay guys, this is where I'll be leaving you, and I hope you survive these next 5 days. Hold on to this. Okay. You have everything you need in here. Do you remember what the first thing is?
Find the house.
Find a house. Do you think you'll be able to find a house here?
No.
Make shelter.
Yeah,
Make shelter.
I have a plan how do we can
You have a plan? Okay, great. So
Bye.
take care.
Thank you. Bye.
We are.
We have finished our hunt. Who wants a little bit of biscuits?
Yeah. I've got the food in my bag. Where is my bag?
Khalid!
He's got the biscuits.
Hungry.
He has my
Go
biscuits.
down, Khalid.
I was hungry.
How many have you eaten? They're my
How many
biscuits.
did you eat? Can we look how many?
Nothing.
He ate
Sorry. Yeah, he ate all. No, nothing.
Khalid!
Sorry. Come on, Khalid.
You're not sorry.
Everyone is angry at me because I eat all the biscuits. I'm so angry because I had ate all the food on the first day we ran out of food. So bad.
Now
we are going to find some
blackberries
because
because Khalid ate all the food.
So it's like
Yeah.
I found some blackberries.
Oh, yeah.
No.
sorry.
Well, you ate all of our biscuits, so why should we allow you to take our stuff?
Sorry.
Once.
I need to sleep.
Oh, I need to sleep too.
Let's go to the shelter.
Yes, let's go to the shelter.
I feel really bad. Time to sleep.
Good night, Arden.
Good night, Artem.
Good night, guys. Thanks. Well, this first day was a little bit crazy. Khalid eat all the food, and we run out of the food.
I forgot to take a spare pair of
Artem, wake up.
Wake up, guys, leave me here.
I know how to make a medicine. Wait, come on.
Go.
Come on.
Remember
the berries.
Oh, no.
Oh, maybe the bird.
What happens if it was a bearberry he ate?
I have some medicine. Eat it.
Okay.
I think that it's not gonna help. But we'll try.
Oh, go to bed.
Go to bed. You need to sleep. Go to bed. I want to go to bed too.
Let's get into this tree. Get into this tree.
This tree.
Go in. No. It's for your. Yes. Good. No. They're free. No. You idiot.
No.
It's for your own good.
No. Go away. I'm gonna go. Go away. He's good.
Okay, leave him.
Okay, leave it now.
I think it was the medicine.
Maybe it was the blackberry.
You're bad,
We should go and take some water.
Yes, we've run out. We've got very little room.
Someone stay looking for Artem.
I think Maxim's the strongest.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, people.
No, I look it to you.
If you come,
Be careful, guys. Go.
this way. Come on, guys.
Butterfly. Oh, butterfly. Oh,
I have water.
oh,
Yeah.
Me too. I have water.
I bring water.
Yeah.
But where is Maxime?
Where is
Maxime?
He's got lost, everyone.
Do you know where is Maxime?
Are you sure, Mr. Go Crazy?
Did you kill him?
Yeah, he killed him.
Oh.
He killed him.
No, he didn't kill him. There's no blood.
There's no body anyway.
Maybe he ran. He go.
Yeah,
to look for
maybe.
some food or something.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait until tonight, and then we will see if he comes. Okay.
Yeah.
Good night, people. Maybe I
Good
can
night,
sleep.
people. Good night.
I stay here. I'm sleeping with the spider.
Me too.
I hate it so much.
Because I think he can escape.
Artem got mad because of my medicine and now no one trusts me. It's so unfair.
So I just really want to go home now. It's getting really cold, really dark. Please, if anyone can get me home, I need to get home.
I'm very angry, and the another group is very angry. So now we go to search some food.
All the people are sleeping, but we are hungry, so we want to take some food.
Hey, girls.
Hey, did you hear that? Hey, there they were. Did you hear it? Yes. Hey,
Wake up.
where's Artem?
Where's Autumn?
Oh no, this isn't good.
Sophia!
No, Sophia.
Sophia! Wake up! What's happened? Sophia! Where are the Italian girls?
Yeah, where are they going?
What's happened?
They said they were gonna go get berries.
What?
Oh my god.
Sophia?
Could it be?
She was attacked by a bear. What can we do now?
Do you still have the manual?
I didn't have it.
Do you have it? It might be in my bag. Go check.
Oh yeah, I found it.
Okay, but look.
The ultimate survival manual for the Woldingham woods. All you need to know. Do you think it has anything on bears?
I think. No, but
Here.
How to make a
Bear
shelter.
burns.
no,
No,
that needs
Oh,
one.
we need well, we do need that
This
for
one.
night. But there's some plants.
Oh, maybe that.
Castor beer. Here, berries.
Ooh. That can create bears. Does it have a cure is the question.
Yeah, certainly.
Here, look. The leaves are bright green and have pointed edges.
The only cure is jam. I have some jam in my bag. Wait.
Do you have jelly? Okay, we need this. Please.
Yes.
It's the only cure for the bears. Right, we're gonna need this.
Yeah.
Let's go find ourselves some bears. Okay, we're so happy now. Like, at least we found a cure thanks to our good old manual. And we're ready to go find some bears. Yeah. Let's go.
What's that?
It's like blood.
It's blood.
Someone is over here.
Let's go quickly.
Run.
Did you hear that? Sounds like a bear.
Dead?
He's alive. He's alive. He's breathing. Oh, is he alive? We're alive.
Okay, that was crazy. We saved Sophia and Artem, but they are still pretty injured.
look really
and then
ill.
the other Sophia and Julia are now okay. But we still couldn't find Max.
We are so glad to not be a bear anymore. Oh, come on, nearly there, nearly to the pillar.
Maxim!
Maxim! Maxim! Over there! Over there! Come back! No!
Are you okay? Do you feel good? I have a good time in the forest.
No, you abandoned us.
I know.
That's
I'm going to go
Oh,
down the forest. So good.